Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your mentions on TikTok. So if you want to see any videos or if someone mentioned you on their TikTok video, you can view it on your TikTok, and this is what you are going to do. So in the past, if you want to see the mentions videos that mentioned you on TikTok, you can just go to the inbox menu here on TikTok, and you'll see at the top the activity. So when you click on the drop down, there will be the mentions option, but now it's already gone, so it's not here anymore because the that feature is moved into the settings. So what you need to do if you want to find your mention is that you can go to profile. Okay, after you go to your profile, you can click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. So under the settings and privacy page, you can just scroll down and you'll see this content and display section, and just click on this activity center. So in activity center, you can find any activity on your TikTok, including mentions, watch history, command, search, account history, and others that you can see. So if you want to find your mention, you'll see in here mention history. You can just tap on that and you'll see the list of TikTok video that mentions you, or if your friends mention you on TikTok video comments. So as you guys can see here, my friends here mention me in a comment of a TikTok video. So if you want to see the content, you can just tap on this, and this is the TikTok video where I mentioned. So that's pretty easy, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. So I uh, will remind you again, if you want to see your mention, you can just open your TikTok, go to your profile, click on the three lines icon, go to the settings and privacy, and find the activity center, and you'll easily spot the activity center in here. Find the mention history, and that's pretty easy. So that sums up the tutorial on how to see your mention on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question. Click on the thanks button to support our channel. Bye.